Hello, welcome back to Murfin Motor Company and another car for sale video. Today I've got this really lovely low mileage Seat Alhambra to show you. This is a 2017. Now this is the 2-litre TDI SE LUX DSG, which means it's the highest spec car they did at the time. This is a really lovely thing. It's only done 37,000 miles and it's not had the usual hard life that these have. We'll talk about it as we go around, but it really is a bit of a gem, this one. So finished in dark blue metallic, as you can clearly see. We've got nice alloys all the way around. They're all nice and clean and tidy. We've got good tyres all the way around, and it's worth just noting that we've just put discs and pads on the front. As we come down this car, there isn't really anything to note at all. It's very, very clean and straight. While we're out here, we will just note that, which is the panoramic roof. We'll have a look at that once we get inside. As we come down this side of the car, again, there's no little dings or dents. It's very, very straight. We've got another nice clean alloy and another Continental tyre there. Stones are included. We will have a look inside. So, electric sliding doors, first thing, full leather. Just in lovely, lovely order, as you'd expect. Tray tables in and working, which they're very often not. It's got the climate control in the back, which again, always in these they're broken. So it's nice to see one that's been looked after properly. And we can close that either from the door handle or from the button inside, or from the button on the dashboard as well. So let's have a look down the side. You can see on this sunny day, it's very, very straight. It's lovely. As we come around the back, we have the parking sensors in here, and we've got the camera up there as well. So again, it's nice and clean and tidy on the back here. It's not had a hard life at all. It's got the electric opening tailgate, so you can do that from the key like I'm doing now, or from there as well. So, parcel shelf, present and correct, nearly always go missing on one of these. We've got the extra seats in the back. Obviously you can put these down completely flat, so if you're not using these, they don't have to come out, they just fold down flat. We've got the other row of seats there. It has got a removable tow bar. Gentleman had it previously, just used it for a bike rack, but it does have one there if you want to add it on. So we can press the little button there and off it goes. So again, let's have a look down this side. It's absolutely straight as an arrow. We've got another good tyre there, look, and we've got good tread there as well. So let's have a look in this side. So again, you can do this with here or from the keys as well. There are two keys. So we've got the leather, like I said, and to get into the back we just come up here, and then you can get into the back seats both sides from there as well. But again, they just don't look used, to be honest. So while we're here, let's have a little look down here. If we go up, you can see we've got the double panoramic roof, which does open. Also has a blind which comes across, obviously, and if you don't want the sun in the car, then you can close it. So in the main cabin, so you've got this sort of carbon fibre trim throughout. We've got electric seats this side, electric memory seats on the driver's side. So specification wise, it doesn't get any better on one of these. So we've got climate control, heated front seats. You can do the climate into the rear as well. We've got the top of the range unit at the time again for this, so it's got radio, it's got Bluetooth media streaming, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, obviously Sat Nav, all the usual stuff on there as well. But we've got little cubby holes in here, look. We've got cubby holes in here, we've got cup holders down here. You've got a couple of different things in here, so you can open the doors, like I said, from here as well, open the boot, turn the parking sensors off, start, stop off, and what have you. Over here, we've got the cruise control, answer your telephone from the multifunction steering wheel, do all sorts of things that turn your radio up, your volume down, all that kind of thing. All 4 electric windows, and you can lock the doors and the windows crucially from there as well. So if the kids are in the back, they can't open the electric doors. Electric folding mirrors, automatic lights, you know, there isn't really anything. It's got flappy pedal gearbox, everything. Okay, so you really have got, and obviously with 37,000 miles, everything is in exceptional condition. Now, service history is also brilliant. So we have the original pre-delivery inspection done by Seat. Hang on a second, we'll get there in a moment. So this is the first service, which was done at a VW Audi Seat Skoda Specialist, which was done at 8,000 miles in 2018. We then got one in 2019 at the main dealer. We've got one in 2020 at 18,000 miles at the main dealer. 2021 at 21,000 miles. 2022 at the main dealer. It's worth noting that at that point the timing belt was done way too early, but it was done in 2022 at 23,000 miles. We've then got another service in 22 at 25, because that previous one was just the belt change. We've got a service at 29 in 2023. We've got a service done in 2024 at 35. It also then had the brake fluid and the DSG oil and filter changed. Sorry, oil done. And then it's just had a service from ourselves at 37. So it's had the DSG, it's had the cambelt. That's the two things that everybody asks on these cars. It's really worth pointing out that these cars generally have a hard life. They're family cars, people buy them to put everything in them, and they tend to be a little bit rough around the edges, to be fair. This one isn't. It's very clean, it's very tidy, lovely low mileage, and probably the best service history I've seen on one. Last alloy, and again, virtually brand new tyre, and as you can see there's new discs on the front there. It's an exceptional car. We sell as many of these as we can get, to be fair. They are always very, very popular. If you are looking at it, please don't hang about. It's not going to hang around. You're not going to find another one with that service history, this specification, and in this condition. It's just not going to be there. So if you want any more information, it's on our website. It's murfinmotorcompany.co.uk. There you'll find all our contact information, telephone numbers, email, and all that kind of stuff. You can look us up on Google. We've got great reviews. You can take your car in part exchange. You can help you arrange finance. As ever, if you're interested in the car, please ring us first. Don't just turn up. Cars are not all stored here. Thanks for watching the video, and hope to see you soon. Bye.